Here we want to multiply x plus 3/5 times x minus 2/5. All right, well, it's a binomial times a binomial, so we use the FOIL method for that. Anytime you see a binomial times a binomial, binomial means two terms, use FOIL. All right, F-O-I-L, first, outside, inside, last. All right, so let's do it. F-O-I-L, and you don't have to write this out every time. It's just good to see it at first. Okay, so first F, these two. Okay, so x times x, x squared. Outside. Right, here's the outside of these two binomials, O. Okay, so that's minus. The minus goes with the 2/5 in this case. So minus 2/5 x. Minus 2/5 x. All right. Now inside, here we go. Those two inside. Okay, so 3/5 x plus 3/5 x. And then last, let's do these two out here. Okay, there we go. That's last. 3/5 times 2/5. Okay, and that's going to be a minus as well, because this minus comes through. So minus, we'll do 3/5 times 2/5. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit. X squared comes through. Minus 2/5 plus 3/5. These have the same denominator. So it's just minus 2 plus 3 all over 5. Well, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So that's going to be plus 1/5 x. All right, and then minus, here we have a fraction times another fraction. So we just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So minus 6/25. No more simplification from there. So this is our final answer. Here's another one. Again, binomial times binomial, so we're thinking FOIL when we see this. We have 5x squared plus 2 times 6x squared plus 2. All right, well, it's a FOIL, so here we go, F-O-I-L. First, outside, inside, last. Okay, so our first, there we go, there's our first. All right, so 5x squared times 6x squared. 5x squared times 6x squared. All right, outside, outside, and outside. So, and that's all plus, so 5x squared times 2. All right, and let's do the insides here. Inside, there we go. We're referring to the inside of these two binomials, right? So it's plus 2 times 6x squared. All right, and then we'll grab the last term in each binomial, 2 times 2, plus 2 times 2, F-O-I-L. Eventually this will be second nature, right? You don't have to write out this F-O-I-L business. In fact, you can even combine the outside and inside in your head oftentimes once you're really good at this. All right, well, here we have x squared times x squared, same base, so exponents add. And then we have 5 times 6, which is 30. So 30x to the 4th plus, okay, 5 times 2 is 10, x squared. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 12x squared, plus 2 times 2 is 4. All right, and always give these a last check and make sure you can't combine any like terms. And of course, here we can. Right, we have 10x squared and 12x squared. Those combine to give 22x squared. So 30x to the 4th plus 22x squared plus 4. And that's all that we can simplify this one.